Okay, we have a question about how to open Delphi files from the new Community Edition. So, on my folder on my desktop, I have, where is it? Folder where I have created a program using the Delphi 10.3.3, which was the Delphi. I've got both installed on my computer. Delphi 10.3 and Delphi 2010. So I created this little program, and those are the files for using the Delphi Community Edition. I'm now going to open it with Delphi 2010. So I'm opening Delphi 2010 because I have both versions on my computer. I have to open the actual compiler first before I load the files. So there's Delphi 2010, and remember the files over here, those were written using the Community Edition 10.3. Right, so I have to do File and Open. Navigate to the folder and just open the .dpr. You don't need these others, they could have been deleted. The proj, dproj, and the win32 and all those other files could have been deleted. .dpr, just open that one. And then you see when you run the program, it's going to give an error and say, well, VCL forms. Well, what you have to do is you have to delete the VCL in front of that, and in the unit 1, you delete all of this. System dot VCL dot, you delete those unit classes or whatever they call them. Anyway, you get the idea. VCL dot, we're deleting all of that from there. Now I'm going to run the program and see if we have any more errors. Could not find that. Okay, now what actually has to happen here is, before I can go and save this using the old version Delphi 2010, I'm not going to save it, but in the folder where I have the Delphi Community Edition files, I'm going to delete all of these extra files that I don't need. There's only 4 that you require, is the .dpr, .res, the form, and the .pas. So I've deleted those others, and I'm going to go open Delphi 2010 again. And then File and Open. Go navigate to my Community Edition files, open the .dpr, click Open, and yes, I have to go through the same process again, run it, and then delete the VCL in front of that, delete all these others, not the actual units, just the prefixes, whatever you call them. Sorry, my vocab is not really good on this one, but you get the idea. Okay, now I'm going to run it, and it works fine. And there it is, it runs perfectly fine in Delphi 2010. Now I can go and save it as, you have to go and create another folder. I'm going to call this Delphi 2010 folder. Just to differentiate between the two, save that unit, and then File, Save Project As into the same folder, Delphi 2010, save. And now it's safe. Now we can use it in Delphi 2010. So there is a way that you can use the files from Community Edition. The secret was to actually delete all of these excess files that you don't require, when you're left with 4, and then open Delphi 2010 and then do what I showed you on the top, just remove those extra items there that was created using the Delphi 10.3. I hope that helps.